There were 30 cows in a field.
Yeah.
And 28 chicken.
Yeah.
How many didn't?
Then what? There were 30 cows in a field
And 28 chicken.
Yeah.
How many didn't?
Don't get it. How many didn't poo?
2. Did you say 2?
How many didn't poo? Yeah.
No, it's not 2.
How many didn't poo? Why are you laughing?
It's simple maths.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you got the numbers there.
Yeah. Cows.
So there's 30
Cows.
cows in a field.
Yeah.
And 28 chicken.
58.
How many didn't?
I don't know. Oh, 0.
No.
38.
No.
Why are you smiling for? What?
Because you know it.
How do I?
Easy maths.
Will you give us the answer at the end?
Unless you go mad first.
What is it?
30 cows
I know.
in a field.
Yeah.
And 28 chicken. How many didn't?
1.
No.
How many didn't? 10. Poo. What?
How many didn't?
How many didn't what?
28 chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many didn't?
28. Oh, there were 8 chicken. 8 chickens. Still don't get it. What is it?
Right. How many cows are in the field?
38. No, 20. 38. 28. 30. 38. I don't know.
How many cows are in the field?
38. 28. 3.
30.
30.
There's 30 cows in a field.
Yeah.
28
58.
chicken.
Yeah.
How many didn't?
28. How many didn't? No one will get that. It doesn't make sense.
Do you want me to help you out?
Yeah.
There were 30 cows in a field.
Yeah.
And 20 of them ate chicken.
8 chicken.
How many
cows
didn't?
ate chicken. Cows ate the chicken.
Yes. 28 chicken. How many didn't?
Cows ate 28 chicken. I don't know the answer.
30 cows in a field.
Yeah.
20 of them.
2.
20 of them ate chicken.
10.
How many did? How many?
10.
Dee-dee. Crash, 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 crash. 10.
I said 10 before.
Did you get it?
You went no.
Did you get it, Jada?
Yeah, because 30 of them. Oh, yeah, 20 of them
30,
ate chicken.
30 cows.
And then there's 10 left.
20 of them ate chicken.
Yeah, and then there's 10 left.
They ate chicken.
20 of them ate chicken.
20 of them ate chicken. 28 chicken.
So there's 10 chicken left.
There's no chicken.
There's 10 cows left.
So how many didn't?
10. How many didn't eat? How many didn't eat chicken? I found the answer. 10
Yeah.
chicken.
So what do you think to that as a maths
I still don't
question?
get it that much. How many? Right. How is that simple? Jada, basically, I'm not sure. 30 cows ate 20, and there was 10 cows left because they didn't eat any. Because there's 20 chicken. I know. Eat any more. I know. Why couldn't they cut them in half then? And then they would all have some. Because they don't have knives and forks. They're cows. Yeah, but they have claws. No, they don't.
Cows have claws.
Yeah. Bye.
Say bye, Elise.
Bye. Bye.
No swearing.